In this video, I'll show you how to fix on your Hisense smart TV the Netflix app that doesn't work. It could be because it doesn't load, or maybe it's loading but the video is not playing. I will show you a few tricks that may help solve this problem in just a few seconds. So let's start with the first one. Turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, depending on the model you have, you may have a power button on the back or one on the front under the TV. If you don't find one, don't worry, just skip this step. But if you found one, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Then you have to wait a full minute. If your TV didn't have a button, just wait 1 minute. And then you can safely replug your TV into the wall socket. This is a soft reset, so nothing will be deleted for your TV and the YouTube app will hopefully work. Now, if this didn't work, you'll need to completely delete the Netflix app from your smart TV and then reinstall it, and obviously you'll have to log again with your account to access it. Now, if it's still not working, I have 3 other solutions. First, to factory reset your TV. There are many tutorials online. I even have some on my channel. You can check and see if your TV has the last firmware. If your TV doesn't connect to internet at all, unplug your router for at least 30 seconds and plug it back. Hopefully one of these tricks will work. Now, if this didn't work and Netflix is still opening, but you're not able to play the videos, what you have to do is to go in these settings on the left side just by pressing on the left arrow on your remote control. And then go down to Get Help, this one. Okay, press on it. Now, on this menu, go down to Check Your Network and press OK. What Netflix will do now is just check and make sure that it's not your Wi-Fi that is the problem. So it will just take a minute and the test will be completed and it will tell you if you have an error. So it's still checking here. And in my case, the check was successful. This means that the Wi-Fi is not the problem. If in your case, one of these had a red X beside it, then it means that it's your Wi-Fi router the problem. If everything is fine, you can also go and select Reload Netflix. That is the setting right below. Tap on it. And it will just make a restart of the application. The last solution would be to sign out from Netflix. It's the last option in the same menu we went a few steps earlier. And completely disconnect from the account. So you'll have to enter again your email and password to connect to Netflix. I really wish this solved your problem. And if you have other tricks regarding how to make Netflix work in case it stopped working, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, it's always appreciated. Thanks and see you in the next one.